Okay, I wanted to do a quick video on natural gas to end the week before we get into the charts. Let's look at a couple of articles. This is coming from oilprice.com. Natural gas prices plunge further amid rise in U.S. stockpiles. So yesterday was the EIA natural gas inventory report. Stockpiles gained 110 billion cubic feet for the week ended May 26, putting more downward pressure on prices, particularly on storage, which is now 557 billion cubic feet higher than at this time last year and well above the 5-year average. That's key. Now, this chart is coming from the Natural Gas Supply Association, and this shows going back a week prior to Memorial, the amount of natural gas that was supplied and demand. So you can see that demand was a lot lower than supply on average, roughly 10 billion cubic feet per day. So this kind of gave you an indication that the EIA report was going to show a surplus. Now, the natural gas supply demand is not just a domestic occurrence, it is a worldwide occurrence. When Russia invaded Ukraine, we've seen a lot of natural gas shipped over to Europe via liquefied natural gas. So this article is coming from Natural Gas World, and it says Asian spot LNG prices fell for the sixth straight week to the lowest level in more than 2 years, while European LNG prices also declined on weak demand and high inventories. So this is key right here. Market fundamentals are still quite bearish in Europe in terms of gas storage and domestic consumption, which could continue to weigh on prices in the near term. So near term, we are bearish natural gas due to a lack of demand domestically and internationally. So when we go to the charts on natural gas futures, it is 8:49 a.m. So we're still in overnight trading. Regular trading hours start at 9 a.m. Eastern time. What we can see is that for the week we've just been in a straight down decline. Now, personally, I do anticipate that the folks that got in short up here are going to take their profits for the day going into the weekend. So I anticipate that today we will finish green. Nevertheless, if we do happen to breach the $2.13 level, there are no real buyers until we get to roughly $2.08. But again, I do anticipate finishing green to end the week. The folks that got short here are going to want to take their profits. All right. What's interesting is if we go to the 8-hour chart, we've been in a straight decline. As you can see, it's been respecting this 8-hour downtrend line. If we take it to the 4-hour chart, you can see a stair step down. So a drop in price, a sideways action, just position being built, a drop. All right. Institutions buy up price just to get in short at a better price, a drop in price, smart institutions building a position for another drop. This is Wednesday. I'm not sure what happened here. Drop in price, the smart money building a position, and then another drop in price. Now, if you look at all the charts, you can see all the moving averages on all the time frames are pointing down. That's just putting downward pressure on price. These moving averages serve as dynamic resistance. Okay, so like I said, You can see prices kind of moving up prior to the 9 o'clock opening bell. What's going to be important is this is the 8 o'clock candle. If price is going to continue to go higher on the 9 o'clock candle, what we want to see is a pullback before moving higher. This is Thursday's lows. Like I said, I do think that we're going to finish today green. What I am looking at this morning is to see if this four-hour simple moving average can hold. We might get a piercing. Now this is the 4-hour chart, so the next candle is going to be the 10 o'clock candle. So ideally what we want to see is this candle close before 10 o'clock above the simple moving average, and then the next 4-hour candle open to go down to go up. This is the 5-minute chart, and this is overnight trading, so it's somewhat sideways. It's not trending up or down, so we could see a pop in price at the regular trading session that starts at 9 a.m. But at the moment we're looking bullish on all time frames: daily, 8-hour, 4-hour, 2-hour, hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then the 5-minute chart. If you look at the volume has been picking up since roughly 7 o'clock. This is my ATR. You can see that ATR is a volatility indicator, but that's moving higher. So I would anticipate getting some movement starting at 9 o'clock. I will shoot another video over the weekend, just kind of looking at the fundamentals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.